Welcome back everybody. What's cracking? It's your boy Paxton, and boy oh boy do we have something cool in store today. After much edging and teasing and prolonged shipping times and missing parts, today should finally be the day we get this new Superspeed wheels mounted. I've been talking all over Instagram, up and down, here too. Sponsored wheels, they're coming. And I don't know about you guys, but I hate when I'm watching a YouTuber and they always say like, big stuff coming, stay tuned. Feels super cliche, but I've had big stuff coming and you've just had to stay tuned because first the shipping got delayed, then I didn't have the right lug nuts, then I had to get the tires mounted, so it's just one thing after another. But today, we're gonna finally seal the deal, get the wheels on. You know we're gonna have to go and take some pics. I'm gonna show you guys all about the Superspeeds, why I got them, why I like them, why you should get them, and if you wanna get some, how you can save some money on that. So, without further ado, I'm on the way to Tom's right now. So we're gonna get with him, jack her up, and I'll tap back in with you guys very shortly. Welcome back. What's cracking? Big day. Getting straight to it. I've been teasing all up and down the Instagram about new sponsor, new wheels. They're coming, they're here. Shout out to Superspeed. Shout out to Roy. Get me set up. Today we're gonna get these open, see what they look like. We're gonna get them over here with Tommy's Apexes to the ceramic coating stand. And then we're gonna come and get these RE71Rs slapped on there. So it's gonna be a fun day. We gotta take some pictures. I don't know, hopefully time permits, we'll see. Also, just wanted to make sure I don't forget to mention that Roy also hooked me up with an aluminum hub-centric ring, non-marring lug nut set, and a license plate frame. So get all these put together, get these on the table. First, let's open it up.
Let's get it.
Let's do it. The grand reveal. Yikes. Oh, that looks so good.
Scheiße.
I almost wish I didn't reveal the white wheels already. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get these open. Okay, much later. Check it out. The Superspeeds are ceramic coated. RE71Rs are mounted. Boys, that's a good combo. I love the way that tread looks. Super aggressive. I'm absolutely cooked, but final job of the day is gonna be.
Got a little helper.
Heyo. Yeah, it looks good. With that, I like the tread pattern on it too. Looks super aggressive.
Yeah.
Hella meaty.
Hell yeah.
I'm saying I'm burnt out, but the job's not finished.
Slap them on?
One last thing to do. Yep.
Hell yeah.
Got to get some pictures, at least tomorrow, for Superspeed. Show them some love for hooking me up. I think we'll pick this up and then we'll resume tomorrow. So let me not waste any more energy. Whew. Okay, so here at Tom's.
Sorry.
Got the new wheels. Oh, over, too bright. Yeesh. Actually, let me get this in the sun without dropping it. It's way overexposed. Wow. Check that out. On the RE71s, super aggressive tread pattern. It's gonna look good. So, one last look over here at her current state, and we'll catch up soon. Okay, and we're back. All right. Decided not to show you guys that whole process because you know how to do it. Don't need me showing you all the woes of getting these wheels off. So without further ado, the new setup. Sheesh! Oh my goodness, it looks so good with the meaty tires on there. We already knew the blue and white was gonna look good, but this is my favorite angle right now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. We're 1 week away from N Circuit Academy at Sonoma Raceway. So I think I'm gonna just rock these for the week. We'll hit that track day up. We'll compare how much of a difference the PS4S's versus the 200 treadwear is. And then the week after that, we're doing some lowering spring installs. So President Martin of the NorCal N Club is gonna come over and help me get the Swifts on, which I've been showing you guys I have in the back. Had them forever at this point. But, oh, dude. Oh, man. That looks great. Glad to have it finally done. So, can't end this video without saying, first of all, thank you to Superspeed and Roy specifically for hooking me up. This is first sponsor for the build. I was gonna wait. My goal was to wait until we got people to help us do it, and we got it. So Superspeed, appreciate you for taking a chance on me. Don't forget that if you guys like these, or once the comparison video comes out, if you just like the way they look, 10% off with code Paxton, or PAXT, excuse me, _EN. And also, thank you to my bro.
Oh, good, bro. You know what it is.
Appreciate you helping me get all these on, jack it up, borrow the garage space, the tools, everything. And not only that, but also get me on track in the first place. So, looking forward to hitting the track together next week.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you guys soon. See ya.